You are going to love the 2024 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, trailering package, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.